Hi, I'm Alex, and I'll be the speaker.
Hi, I'm Pierce, and I'll be the writer.
Today we are going to be doing big number division with the remainder.
So get a pencil, paper, and follow along.
The problem that we are going to do today is 939 divided by 7. So first draw this. It looks like the game Hangman, and that is why this strategy is called the Hangman strategy. We are going to put the 7 here because 7 is what we are dividing by. Next, we'll put the 939 in here because it is the number that is getting divided. So first, we are going to put a 7 times 100, which equals 700. We did this because this equation gets us close to 939. Then subtract 939 minus 700, which equals 239. Then do 7 times 30, which equals 210. Then do 239 minus 210, which equals 29. Then do 7 times 4, which equals 28. Finally, do 29 minus 28, which equals 1.
Wait, you can't put 7 into 1. What do we do?
It's called a remainder. So we have a remainder of 1. So the answer is
134 remainder 1. Like, subscribe, and share the video with lots of friends. Bye.